everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and we're back in the kitchen today. It's been a long time since the hurricane, well it wasn't a hurricane, it's a tropical storm. All of my garden problems, I've had to go stay busy fixing that. But today, I'm going to cook those Chinese red noodle beans. I figure if I'm going to grow some strange stuff, I need to learn how to cook it. So I found a recipe on Pinterest, I believe. I don't know who made it. I wasn't paying any attention, and I'm kind of going off my memory here. I know I need some olive oil, so I'm going to throw some of that in there. I'm not using a very big pan because I don't have a whole lot of beans. I've already cut the ends off, and now I'm going to cut them into little pieces. That works for me. Now, slice up some onion. Throw that in there. Alright, we're just going to let that get cooked down a little bit. I'm going to put some salt in it. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm going to dice up this tomato here. This is one of my tomatoes out of my garden. Now, in the recipe that I found on the internet, it said to use a hot pepper. And this lady had a pepper that looked so hot that there is no way in Hades I would be able to eat it because my mouth don't do hot stuff. I like a little bit of heat, but I don't like those intense heats. So I'm just going to cut up this banana pepper and use it because it's got a mild flavor and it won't end me up in the emergency room. There. Now let's see what this is doing. Yeah, that'll work. I don't want to get my garlic too done. I'm going to throw this tomato in there. And my pepper. Now, what I did learn about these beans is that you don't cook them like you would regular green beans, even though they have a similar look and texture. They do not like to be boiled like with ham hocks or potatoes. They're best in a stir fry, and they keep their texture better in a stir fry. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm taking their word for it because I've never cooked them before. So, and that's why I'm doing it this way. Now you can steam them a little bit. At least that's what I've seen as I've been researching how to cook them. Alright. Let's get these bad boys in here. So I'm kind of excited to taste this. We'll put just a little more salt in here because I've got more stuff in here. I'll get some pepper out. Well, it looks pretty. Look how pretty that looks while it's cooking. There's so many colors in there. I sure hope it tastes as good as it looks, that's for sure. The lady that cooked it on the internet put a lid on it. So I don't have a lid to go on that small pan. So I'm going to do what my grandma used to do and use a plate. Cover it for about 10 minutes and it should be finished. So y'all stick around and I'll tell you the results. I know you're going to want to see my face because my face can't hide a thing. My meemaw used to tell me that I could have an entire conversation with somebody and never say a word. I used to think it was funny. But my face does give me away a lot. Well, it's almost finished, so I'm going to clean this off real quick. Y'all, I love these Clorox wipes. Always have. And now with the COVID, everything gets it. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Well, it got a little less colorful. Let's plate this up and try a bite. Alright, here goes, guys. It's hot. Whew, it's hot. Well, I'm trying to keep a straight face so y'all don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I don't taste a lot of bean flavor in it. The texture is good. A little different from a green bean. But I haven't gotten any strings in it, so that's good. I don't like the strings in my green beans. With this recipe, though, really all I taste is tomato and onion. These are much milder flavored than a regular green bean. And I do like that there's no string. I just wish there was a little more flavor. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. He wants everybody to know that he's here because he's banging on my kitchen cabinets. Say hello, Jules. Oh, now you want down? All right, cool. I do wish it was a little more beany flavor, but honestly, I'm going to have to try another recipe with these because, again, all I got mostly was the tomato flavor. My tomato's good, though. I'm not sure I'll grow those again. They were fun to grow, and they were beautiful. Seeing them hanging in mass off of the trellis. They were a gorgeous bean, but honestly, I think if I were to grow them again, it would be more for decorative purposes than eating purposes. And that kind of disappoints me. Pepper's good too. Anyhow, if y'all want to try them, go ahead and grow them. Maybe you'll like them a little better than I did. But if you like a mild bean flavor, I think you'll really like this. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?